Okay, we're here in Crystal Lake Central's cafeteria, only it doesn't look like the cafeteria anymore because the demolition crews have finished chipping out all of the floor tile, and they've even removed the lovely turquoise and yellow tile off of the walls here. We're going to bring this cafeteria into this century, and hopefully our students of the future will enjoy it. Additionally, the architect has made plans to use the skylights more effectively, and we're going to build some large light wells to bring the natural light down into the area for the students. Right now, this space has no lighting other than the emergency bulbs you can see kind of hanging in the background. We're using all natural light here, so stay tuned and see where we go with the cafeteria.